Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. This is our 2016 Hyundai Accent. This is a one-owner car, very low miles on it. This car has less than 35,000 miles. And if you're not very familiar with the Accent, I can tell you it's a compact car with tons of room. The hatchback design is pretty incredible. I actually owned one of these cars, an Accent. Absolutely loved it because of the versatility of this vehicle. You can see with the hatchback design, you have that wide opening there. It's going to allow you easy access to store just about anything you need to. That cover will remove really easily. The rear seats will recline in a 60-40 split. And with both seats down, I can tell you it gives you a ton of cargo area. And I have a full pictorial of that at citymotors.net, so make sure you check that out. And this one, you can see you have tons of room here in the back seat. It's very, very spacious. You can fit 3 passengers back there pretty comfortably. And inside here, of course, we have all your power options. You do have the height adjustment on your driver's seat. Of course, you get your side airbags. And again, take special note of the condition. You can tell whoever had it took very good care of it. You do have your active eco mode, which is going to optimize your fuel economy, getting you almost 40 miles per gallon. You're getting about 37 miles per gallon in this one. This one does have your cruise control. You do have your premium audio with auxiliary inputs there. Of course, air conditioned. You do have the automatic transmission with your Tiptronic option there, so you can shift up and down. That is very useful, especially when driving across a mountain. You can kind of gear down, saving your brake wear. You can let the car slow itself down there. You do have your folding center armrest there. Again, very clean, and I've had one of these myself, and I absolutely loved it. Just the space in the room with the fuel economy makes this one hard to beat. And guys, with less than 40,000 miles and less than $11,000, this is hard to beat. Tons of factory warranty left on this one. You can call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. And keep in mind, we have no processing fees. That's 0 processing fees. That's a big deal because a lot of places now are charging $500 to $1,500 for processing fees. Don't get stuck in that trap. Don't pay any processing fees. Get down here and see us. Drive this car. You're going to fall in love. Hope to see you soon, and thanks for stopping by.